Inequality and discrimination against women and girls remain among the greatest injustices of our time. Across the world, gender inequalities permeate and exacerbate all of our biggest challenges today: poverty, climate change, peace and security, and more. The situation has only been worsened by COVID-19. Time is running out to transform the picture for future generations. Each day brings us closer to the 2030 deadline to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. But our vision for a gender-equal world is clear. A world where women exercise their voice and build better societies and stronger nations. Where they access opportunities equally, have decent work and equal pay. A world where all women and girls live free from violence. Where they build sustainable peace, recover swiftly from crisis, and benefit equally from humanitarian action. UN Women is the global champion for gender equality. Building on decades of experience, working alongside governments, civil society, and women and girls on the ground, we know what works, and we have a new plan. Focusing on 7 key outcomes, UN Women's strategic plan will sharpen our existing work to better tackle the underlying causes of inequality. We will support governments to strengthen laws, policies, and institutions to treat all people equally regardless of their gender. Engage communities, including their men and boys, to become champions and influence change. Work with financial institutions and governments to increase investments in gender equality. Ensure equal access to public goods, quality services, and resources. Support women's voice, agency, and leadership to claim their rights. Build knowledge on gender equality with better research, data, and evidence. And step up our work at the heart of the UN system to strengthen the united effort for gender equality. Join us in accelerating bold and lasting change to achieve a gender-equal world.